In this video, I'll show you how to fix the something isn't right. Try your request again later error on X, formerly Twitter. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Apps and select X from the list of installed apps. Then tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. If the issue persists, tap Clear Data. Keep in mind that this will sign you out of the app, so you'll need to log in again afterward. Once you've cleared the app data, close the Settings app. Next, switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try mobile data. If you're using mobile data, try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. After changing your network, open X again and check whether the error has been resolved. If the problem continues, make sure the X app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. And that's how to fix the something isn't right. Try your request again later. Error on X if this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.